Now, plugins add or extend the WordPress feature set, right? So you can extend WordPress using an endless supply of mostly free plugins. Now, there are some paid plugins out there, and what these plugins will do is it will help you with the ranking of the website, the control, the back end, make it easier for you to create and edit and control content and access. We'll also provide measurement tools for you so you can see how effective your website is. Provide some security as well, to prevent sites from either getting hacked or getting compromised. This would include backups and whatnot. So plugins are an invaluable source, and what I'll do here is we're going to talk about some of the plugins that we recommend for all the sites that you use. And these will be Yoast SEO. It really helps improve the SEO footprint of your site. There's the broken link checker. It'll help you find any broken links on your site. There's Google Analytics. It'll help you provide measurement and metrics so you can understand what your traffic is doing on the website. There's caching or speeding up your website. This will make your WordPress site load up real fast. There are direct correlations between the speed of a website loading up and your conversions. If your website is slow, people will just get bored and leave. If it's slow, like, I don't have time for this, and they'll leave. But if it loads up fast, you'll still capture their attention, and they move into your offer and read your headline and go through your body. So it's important. This seems almost innocuous, but speeding up your website is an important part of selling somebody online. There's a WordFence security plugin. You're going to extend the security features of WordPress, and then some lead capture plugins to help you capture those leads. Now, I want you to see the lecture in the upcoming lecture here next for links to all of these resources to where you could download these plugins.